What's up, people? Atomic Tofu here. Today doing a review of ToyWolf's D01 Single Dog. Got this guy from Shozy store. Let's take a look at the box. Pretty minimalistic. It's just the text, script, prints, mechanical and industrial design by ToyWolf. Top half says do not eat, age 14 plus, QR code, Toy Plus, and white back. That's it. Let's get the box out of the way. Down to the figure. Figure comes with the bone slash bow tie, magnetically attached. It comes with the canine commander, I guess. Not sure. I was hoping he'd have more paint apps, maybe like a painted rope collar and then the bell there, but yeah, it's just plain blank, probably for design purposes. Anyways, let's get down to business. It's got a lot of heft to it. I left the protective plastic on the tail because, store it back up. Don't want to really scratch it up. Okay, but yeah, he's got a lot of heft to him. I believe the whole entire back piece is die-cast, and I believe the thighs, the legs are plastic. So let's get down to transformation. Put your fingernails where the nose is and just pry it apart. Open that up. Bring out the legs. Let's see, here we are. Come down. Flip this over. Make sure things don't collide too badly. The side panels. Let's see if I can do this without getting in the way of the camera. Too bad. Okay. Put these up so that we can get the robotic tarantula arachnid style feet. See here how much clearance I need to get these out. Maybe not too much. Yeah, let's open them up. Bring that out. So when we swing up this front cannon piece, it kind of auto extends that bit out, right? And then we further extend it. There you go. Okay. Bring down the radar dish and turn it around. There you go. Just tuck it back in there like that. Swing down these side guns. He's a very heavily armored canine tank, canine crawler. Then some side pistols. There you go, like that. Open up the crawler legs. Okay, then get these out of the way. And then cockpit. Hopefully you can see that in there. It's usually a screwdriver. Let's see. Up. It's kind of interesting where they chose to do color apps. So, this is his control panel, joystick, canine commander. Usually, it's going to be facing back, so You know, it's facing back like that, so they chose to paint the back side of that. You know, but this guy's monochrome basically. So, and he's kind of sitting out to the side. So he's a very heavily armored canine crawling unit. Put him in there. You can barely see it. Let's see how we can get this guy in there. Too bad. I was hoping that his butt would be a magnet and he'd be magnetically attached to, but nope, he's just sitting in there like that. And there you have it. Once again, shows the store. Thank you very much for getting me. ToyWolf D01 Lonely Dog. This is interesting. Might be a departure from the usual bathroom warriors that ToyWolf was making. Potty guys, potty team. Right. Okay, that's all for me for now. Later. Bye.